Hello, welcome to everybody to my channel Pharmaceutical Updates. This is Chandrasekhar Panda. Today we will discuss about the processing controls which are to be followed during the manufacturing of the drug product. आज हम बहुत सारा चीज़ के ऊपर बात करेंगे जो कि हमें फॉलो करना पड़ेगा मेडिसिन्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करने से पहले, जो कि स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम चेंज रूम से लेके पूरा बैच बनाने तक हमें क्या क्या फॉलो करना पड़ेगा और क्या क्या करने से हमारा प्रोडक्ट अच्छा बनेगा और उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा, इसके बारे में हम आज बात करेंगे। Access to the manufacturing area is restricted to authorized person only. All personnel entering the drug product facility shall follow the governing procedure mentioned in the SOP, procedure for entry and exit from change room to process area and packaging area. Personnel who have an apparent illness or open lesion that may adversely affect the quality of a material or product must be prevented from direct contact and shall not be allowed to enter the process area until the condition is recovered. Persons who are sick shall not be allowed to enter in the process area. They shall be examined by the registered medical practitioner and must be certified fit, and then only shall be allowed inside the process area. Visitors shall be allowed only after authorization from area in charge, and they shall always be accompanied inside the manufacturing area by company employee. Where raw material, active pharmaceutical ingredients, API, and intermediates, finished products are exposed, personnel must remove all unsecured jewelry and other objects that may fall off and must take adequate precautions to secure watches, identity tags, or other loose items. Clean protective garments must be worn when working with or near exposed raw material, API, and in process material. When wearing the garments, check that the garment is clean and no loose threads and or damage is observed. Personnel working in the area where intermediate products is exposed must wear gloves and must cover excessive facial hair like beards, mustaches, and sideburns, etc. All personnel involved in the manufacturing operation must wear personal protective equipment appropriate to the need to protect these materials from contamination. Inside the production area, eating, chewing, smoking, drinking, or keeping of plants, foods, drinks, smoking materials, and personal medicines are not allowed. There must be no direct contact between a person's bare hand or any other unprotected body parts to the materials, API, in process materials, or primary packing components or equipment's product contact surface. Inside the production area, unnecessary personal movement in the corridors is restricted. Before starting the operation, environmental conditions such as temperature, relative humidity, differential pressure shall be checked as per the respective product batch record. The operation shall be continued if the environment conditions are within the acceptance limit. Else, the information shall be given to the concerned person to take necessary action. Ensure that all lights of the room are working. In case any tube light is not working, get it rectified. Inside one processing room, only one batch of the product shall be processed. Ensure the cleanness of the area and the equipment before starting the operation. If a new batch is to be started, then get the equipment or room line clearance from quality assurance. Weighing balances shall be verified on prior to use as per the respective SOP and recorded in the balance verification record before starting the weighing operation. All steps during process shall be strictly followed as per the written instructions in the batch manufacturing record and respective standard operating procedures. All the in-process checks during the process shall be done as per the specified frequency mentioned in the respective batch records. All the materials, containers, equipment shall be labeled for identification and status at all stages. All entries of time in the equipment logbook, batch record, and all GMP related documents shall be done on 24 hours time basis. The date shall be entered in DD MM YY date month year or date month YY format. All the reject bins and waste bins shall be kept with the properly labeled as per the respective SOP. Rejects and waste bins shall be emptied and cleaned on daily basis. The area equipment which is under maintenance shall have the maintenance level duly signed by the engineering. Online entries shall be made in respective documents with permanent bluing. Corrections of wrong entry on the document shall be carried out by striking up with a single line. After cancellations and necessary corrections, the concerned personnel shall put the sign and date with the certification. The reasons such as entry error, calculation error, printing error, transcriptional error, typographical error, etc. can be used as possible. Intermediate, that tablet and capsules and finished product shall be stored in a double polylined high density polyethylene containers and shall be labeled both inside and outside the container. Process area, floors, walls, ceiling shall be subject to a regular cleaning and sanitization as per the respective SOP at specified frequency interval. Drug product in all stages such as starting material, intermediate and finished product shall be stored in the respective designated area after completions of the activity. At the end of the shift or at the end of the day, equipment, power supply, room light shall be switched off to save energy. Before closing the operation for the day, all the product containers shall be closed properly and transferred to the respective quarantine area which is maintained at controlled temperature. All the keys shall be placed in the keyboard of the production office. The key of the keyboard shall be with the area in charge. All the containers of a batch shall be stored on pallets and all shall be stretch wrapped. No container shall be opened in the quarantine area for any reason. If the container needs to be opened for sampling or any other purpose, it shall be done in non-operational clean room. The line clearance shall be taken from IPQA and shall be recorded in the batch manufacturing record. Pest control activities shall be carried out inside the warehouse, manufacturing, packing, quality control labs and change rooms. After cleaning SS bins, check the outer surface of SS bin visually and check the internal corners of the SS bins and other difficult area to see with the help of mirror and torch.